we are going to learn how to make Dominican fried chicken. Let's do this. Today I'm making the traditional way that I was told to make Dominican fried chicken. I already cleaned this chicken with vinegar and lime. I made a little punches, little holes, little incision, whatever you want to call it, on the legs to make sure that the seasoning is going to penetrate. I'm gonna add any fresh lime because I already added when I soak it in vinegar, and then it's going to be way too sour. I'm going to add garlic, black pepper, adobo, half of a chicken cube. The other half we're going to save it to put it season our flour. Paprika, Dominican oregano, and here we have cilantro, one bay leaf, fresh thyme, green pepper, Italian pepper, and half an onion. We're going to add 2 cups of water. So now we're just going to incorporate everything. We're going to cover it. We're going to wait until it starts boiling to set up our timer for 15 minutes. And we're going to let our chicken boil for 15 minutes. We could give, let's say, 7 minutes to each side. And you're not fully cooking it, you're pre-cooking it before you fry it. So remember, then you're going to put it to fry for 6 minutes until it's crispy. I just flip them and taste the liquid, and it's missing a little bit of sodium, so I'm going to add a little salt. So I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of flour. I'll put 2.5. Hopefully that will be enough. Now let's use the flour. We're adding paprika, Dominican oregano, adobo, black pepper. I'm going to add half of a chicken cube. We're also going to add garlic powder, and for a little color we're going to add achiote powder. I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric, and this is not something that my family used to do to fried chicken, but I adopted when I moved to the United States. But I learned the benefit of turmeric. When you finish mixing all of your ingredients, what you're going to do is that you're going to put this in a Ziploc bag, and then you're going to put your chicken in there and shake it. So make sure it's going to have flour all over. Back in the days, our grandparents used to take any random clean plastic bag, put the chicken in there and just shake it. Okay? Some good old shake. Ay, ay, ay. The 15 minutes pass by. I'm going to remove the chicken from the liquid, and I'm going to let it sit to cool off before I can add the flour. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add, for the finish touch, a little bit of baking powder. We have the flour with the season. Now we're going to place our chicken in, and we're going to shake it. So this is grandma back in the day technique. So then like this, you see? Your chicken is nice and covered in flour. There you go. Let's fry our chicken. Look how nice color our fried chicken has. For staying until the end of this recipe to learn how to make Dominican fried chicken. I really appreciate your time and your loyalty. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I will see you in the next recipe.